guess what Utah town was recently chosen by a popular website as an awesome place to retire? An article appeared on cheapism.com a couple of weeks ago showcasing a number of under-the-radar towns in America as places to retire in terms of cost of living, affordable real estate and housing options, as well as diverse range of places to explore. Surprisingly, the city of Nephi in Juab County made it to this list. So I decided to drive through town to explore this hidden gem. Welcome to the city of Nephi, a friendly city at the crossroads of Utah. Not in slogan only, but in reality, for it stands indeed at the crossroads. I-15 and SR Ute 132 cross Nephi. Then from Nephi, all areas of state are accessible. The city is also the dead center to outdoor activities, college towns, shopping and entertainment, because it's about 3-hour drive to major national parks in Utah like Bryce Canyon, Arches National Park, and Zions National Park, and a little over an hour drive to Salt Lake City. The residents here that I've spoken with, they claim they love the small town feel, and I don't blame them. Look how quiet it looks like here. On a hot Wednesday last week, our family embarked on a fun day trip through Nephi and its neighboring cities. The first stop, we went to Spring City, about 25 minutes southeast of Nephi. What a step back in time, with historical buildings from the late 1800s still intact. Then we passed through Manti with its famous LDS temple. You can never miss this spot. One of my favorite stops was the well-preserved house of Porter Rockwell in Eureka. Finally, my favorite stop though, which I will definitely come back to and enjoy, is the Little Sahara sand dunes located about 40 minutes west of Nephi. So come and visit Nephi and see for yourself if this could be your retirement city.